Now we're going to be talking about a powerful tool that lets your images inspire new ideas. Describe is a tool which you can use to get a better understanding of how MidJourney interprets an image. MidJourney's Describe tool helps you generate creative prompts by analyzing an image and then offering words and phrases that describe that image. It's a great way to discover new style words and get inspiration for your text prompts. Basically, Describe is an image to text tool that can help you guide your prompts. So sometimes when you're using MidJourney, it becomes extremely hard to figure out what is the best kind of prompt, right? So for example, I want to, if we go on to the explore page and we look at the top images from the month and we see an image that really resonates with us, let's say it's this one. The prompt given is dynamic silhouette animation in bold graphic style depicting expressive character with glowing eyes. This was the prompt that the user gave to MidJourney and this was the image generated. Now we've already seen how we can reverse engineer prompts and get images, but now let's see how MidJourney can interpret an image to reverse engineer it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am just going to click on the image and drag it and drop it to describe. If you can see it, I don't know why this whole thing is getting picked, but yeah, this image was dragged and dropped into the describe button. Drop image to describe. Okay, and MidJourney is going to do exactly that. You can see that in the 2 times that we've submitted the image, MidJourney has given us a prompt for arriving at this image. A flat illustration of an androgynous person with glowing red eyes, simple shapes, minimalism, vector art style, flat design, plain background, portrait view, wearing a black coat, an orange color palette, high contrast, high resolution. Each time you put an image into the describe, MidJourney will have different suggestions each time. So for example, if we like this image of the cake and we just drag it and drop it here to describe it, MidJourney is going to interpret this image and going to give us a small description of it, which is essentially to use it as a prompt. Now let's say we take one of these and use it as a prompt. You could also use any of these, let's say this one, and use it as a prompt. Okay, a small white cake, candle, no, glowing soft pink. And this is the kind of results that we've gotten. It almost looks like a candle here, right? And we've probably gotten a little better results with our little flat illustration of this glowing red eyes character. I like this one. It's close enough to our original image, right? Close enough. Okay. Now, another way to go about describing is if you end up adding an image, you are going to see this little eye icon and it is going to then analyze this particular image and going to give you the descriptors of the subject: a handsome Indian man with black hair and a beard, and so on and so forth. And he has an expression that reflects focus during his work as a reporter or a journalist. There's also a microphone visible near him. And yeah, you could take this and just try this out. You could also take any of the others. Let's say I'm taking up, not this, sorry. Okay, I just deleted it by mistake. But let's say I take this one. A red and white. MidJourney understands what a Ducati Panigale is. Drifts on track. And it's shot with an Sony Alpha A7 III. Afternoon sun. Yeah. f8 aperture. Nice. And then you could take any of these prompts from the subject and create a prompt of your own. A red and white Panigale V4S performing drifts on track. Dynamic cornering action shot. Shot at speed on a racetrack in Barcelona. Motion blur conveying speed. This is what we came up with for the prompt that we had, which was a handsome Indian man with black hair and a beard. He has an expression that reflects focus during his work as a reporter or journalist. And obviously you can go in and tweak this as a maybe filmmaker instead. There is also a microphone visible near him. Well, I wouldn't want that. Let's see. And then you have a Ducati Panigale V4 on the racetrack in Barcelona. Who would say that this is an image generated by MidJourney, right? It's extremely realistic. The bike is like on point. Yeah, quite awesome. And there you have it. A handsome Indian man with black hair and a beard. He has an expression that reflects focus during his work. Yeah, you could take any of the images, either the images that you have clicked by yourself or images found on the internet, and ask MidJourney to describe them and get prompting assistance from MidJourney using the Describe feature. Another way to look at the Describe feature or to check out a Describe feature is go on to your Organize tab and right click on the image and just hit Describe. And the minute that you click that, you can go back to your Create menu and you will see that there is a description of this particular image. A stunningly beautiful woman in her late 30s with short curly brown hair. Yeah. Okay. So Describe is a great feature from MidJourney. It's a great tool from MidJourney that allows you to take an existing image, either generated from MidJourney or an image that you have created in real life or found on the internet, and use that image as a reference to generate prompts which can be then used to create new images.